Welcome back, traders. Today, we're tackling something that every Deriv user looks for: consistency. We've all been there, trying to find that perfect strategy that doesn't just promise results, but actually delivers them. Today, I'm putting PivotCore.net to the test. I've set a very specific goal: to execute 10 trades using the 4 over, 5 under strategy and aim for a 50% win rate. Let's see if this platform can handle the pressure. First, let's talk strategy. The 4 over, 5 under approach is popular for a reason. It's about balancing risk and probability. When you're trading on Deriv, emotion is your biggest enemy. By using an automated platform like PivotCore, we're taking the human error out of the equation. We're letting the logic do the heavy lifting. I'll walk you through how I've set up the parameters to target that specific 5 out of 10 goal. Now, let's watch it in action. You can see the trades executing here in real time. Notice the speed and the precision of the entries. This is where PivotCore shines. It doesn't hesitate. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with automated trading, watching these technical setups run automatically is a game changer. We're aiming for those 5 wins. Let's see how the market reacts. So, we finished our 10 trades. Let's look at the numbers. Did we hit our 5-win target? Results are what matter in this business. Beyond just the win rate, I want you to notice how the platform managed the drawdown and the overall trade flow. This isn't just about gambling, it's about disciplined, automated execution. If you're tired of manual trading and want to explore how automation can bring more consistency to your Deriv journey, it's worth taking a look at what PivotCore.net offers. Remember, always trade responsibly and backtest your strategies before going live. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more strategy tests. Check the link in the description to learn more about how you can start automating your own trades today.